The evolution of finance, asset tokenization, and BlackRock's blockchain revolution. The banking industry is changing with blockchain. Blockchain may turn physical assets into digital tokens for storage, sale, and control. Accessible, transparent, and efficient, it transforms investments. Butyl, BlackRock's first Ethereum-based tokenized fund, made headlines in 2024. The revolutionary fund's $240 million debut week showed demand for blockchain-enabled financial goods. A milestone for tokenization by major financial organizations was BlackRock's. This video covers BlackRock's BUIDL fund, asset tokenization, the market's effects, and its merits and downsides. Can you explain what asset tokenization is? To what extent does the asset tokenization process function, and what is the core process itself? Creating digital tokens that reflect ownership or rights to real-world assets is the fundamental process that constitutes asset tokenization. This ensures that these tokens are safe, transparent, and unchangeable since they are held on blockchain systems. As a result of its ability to enable unprecedented levels of accessibility and efficiency, tokenization has the potential to make existing financial markets obsolete. Key features of tokenization. Fractional ownership. Tokenization facilitates investors' acquisition of fractional shares by dividing assets into smaller parts. Individuals are able to invest with as little as $1,000 if, for instance, a property that is worth $10 million is split into 10,000 tokens. Liquidity enhancement. The process of tokenization has made it possible for traditionally illiquid assets, like as real estate, fine art, or private equity, to be sold on secondary markets. This has opened up new prospects for investments, transparency, and security. By ensuring that all transactions are recorded in a transparent and secure manner, blockchain technology's immutable ledger helps establish trust and reduce instances of fraud. Efficiency. One of the benefits of tokenization is that it minimizes transaction costs and speeds up settlement times. We achieve this by eliminating intermediaries like brokers and attorneys. BlackRock's BUIDL fund. BlackRock created BUIDL, a tokenized money market fund, in March of 2024. BlackRock specifically developed this fund for institutional investors. When it comes to incorporating blockchain technology into conventional asset management, this fund is one of the most important moves that a traditional financial institution has made. Key highlights of the BUIDL fund. Construction on Ethereum. Ethereum was chosen for its scalability, smart contract features, and DeFi pioneer status. Focus on stability. BUIDL invests in low-risk assets and short-term government bonds to provide institutional investors with stability. Success in Week 1. The fund's $240 million first-week raise shows that blockchain-enabled financial products are gaining credibility. Increased chain count. When extended in November 2024, BlackRock's BUIDL fund supported Aptos, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Optimism, and Polygon. This change aimed to make it easier for investors to participate across platforms by boosting accessibility and interoperability. Purpose and vision. The BUIDL fund operates with the intention of bringing conventional financial products into the current era. Automating blockchain technology may improve operational efficiency. Investors receive real-time transparency. Simplifying compliance, reporting, and settlement procedures would result in cost reductions. Number 6. The advantages of Ethereum for tokenization. What are the most important characteristics of Ethereum that make it an appropriate platform for tokenization? The capability of the blockchain to host decentralized financial applications and to enable transactions that are smooth is shown by the fact that BlackRock has chosen to utilize Ethereum. Ethereum's key benefits. 1. Smart contracts. This guarantees the accurate and efficient execution of operations such as compliance checks, payments, and asset transfers. Smart contracts automate these activities. 2. Decentralization. A safe and transparent framework for the management of tokenized assets is provided by Ethereum, which eliminates the need for central authority. 3. Interoperability. To facilitate increased connection and innovation, Ethereum connects with a wide variety of blockchain networks and decentralized applications. 4. Energy efficiency. Once Ethereum switched to proof of stake, Ethereum 2.0, its energy usage dropped by 99.95%, making it a more environmentally friendly option for organizations like BlackRock. Number 5. The growing market for asset tokenization. There has been a significant expansion in the market for tokenized assets, which can be attributed to the acceptance of blockchain technology by institutions and the development of the technology itself. Current trends and projection. The rising acceptability of blockchain-based investing is shown by the fact that tokenized money market funds will own assets worth more than $1 billion by May 2024. According to Boston Consulting Group, the market for tokenized assets is anticipated to reach $16 trillion by the year 2030, which would be equivalent to 10% of the total world GDP. Popular asset categories. The tokenization of real estate makes it possible to have fractional ownership, which in turn permits a greater number of investors to participate in profitable property markets. Commodities. Tokenizing precious metals like gold and silver aims to provide safe and transparent trading options. Equities and bonds. Additionally, tokenized securities provide issuers and investors with increased accessibility and efficiency. High-value commodities, such as rare paintings or collectibles, may be fractionalized and exchanged on a worldwide scale. This is the case for collectibles and art. Number 4. How tokenization benefits investors. What are the ways that tokenization makes access to investing possibilities more democratic? Accessibility and inclusion. Small-scale investors now have an easier time participating in markets that were previously only accessible to high-net-worth people or institutions because tokenization reduces the barriers to investing. Portfolio diversification. By having exposure to a broad variety of tokenized assets, investors may simply diversify their portfolios, therefore lowering their risk exposure and increasing their gains. Speed and cost efficiency. By eliminating delays and lowering expenses associated with existing banking systems, blockchain's real-time settlement capabilities revolutionize the industry. Number 3. Challenges and risks. Regulatory uncertainty. In many countries, there is a lack of definitive legislation regarding the tokenization of assets, which presents difficulties for both issuers and investors. There is still a significant barrier to overcome, despite the fact that BlackRock's entrance into tokenized funds may pave the way for more transparent regulatory regimes. Investor awareness. Most retail investors are not aware of the advantages and disadvantages of tokenization, in contrast to the institutional investors who are quick to accept it. It is essential to conduct education and awareness initiatives in order to achieve broad acceptance. Technological barriers. There are continuous problems that need to be solved in order for tokenization to attain its full potential. They include interoperability across blockchain networks and the scalability of current platforms. Number 2. The environmental and social impact of tokenization. To what extent can tokenization contribute to the overall sustainability of the environment? Long-term success. A significant contribution to environmental sustainability is made by tokenization, which reduces dependence on paper-based procedures and adopts blockchains that are energy efficient, such as Ethereum. It is possible to remove middlemen via the use of blockchain technology, which further reduces the carbon footprint connected with conventional financial transactions. Financial inclusion is a concept. Individuals from underprivileged areas are able to engage in global markets thanks to tokenization, which democratizes access to capital. Number 1. The future of tokenization. Institutional adoption. It is conceivable that additional financial organizations will pursue tokenization as a result of BlackRock's success with the BUIDL fund. This might result in the tokenization of conventional financial products like government bonds, corporate debt, and other comparable obligations. Technological innovations. As blockchain interoperability continues to advance, it will become possible to move assets across multiple networks without any interruptions. In order to provide a single ecosystem for investors, decentralized finance (DeFi) systems will include tokenized assets. Market potential, innovation, legal clarity, and greater investor interest are just some of the factors that are driving the tokenization sector toward exponential development. With the increasing number of institutions that are adopting this technology, tokenized assets will eventually become an essential component of contemporary finance. Like, share, and subscribe for more.